Dear student, how are you? I am Dilip Dhali, an assistant teacher, Pugulmuni Harbati Secondary School, Budegada Kukuman. Dear student, how are you? I think that you are very fine by the grace of God. But dear student, you know that today we are facing a very critical moment, that is COVID-19 coronavirus, and it is very dangerous nowadays. So I want to suggest you have to stay at home, wear masks, and follow rules of hygiene. Dear student, you need not go out, but dear student, our authority has suggested to take video class or online class. So I want to take a video class, and my topics assertive to indicative sentence. And dear student, the class 8 and subject English second paper, I want to discuss assertive to interrogative sentence, and it is a transformation of sentence, and we have to change the sentence without changing meaning. If the sentence is affirmative form, we have to change negative interrogative, and if the sentence is negative form, we have to change affirmative interrogative. So dear student, I want to discuss first sentence. Look at the blackboard very carefully, and in the sentence you can see I have done the work. It is a assertive sentence and affirmative form, and in the sentence there is no negative form. So if you want to interrogative sentence in the sentence, then we have to take be verb, auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary verb at the beginning of the sentence. In the sentence we can see have. Have is a auxiliary verb. So at first we have to take have in the beginning of the sentence, have, and we have to add negative sense in absolutely. Having I done the work, and at last we have to use interrogative sign. Question of the sentence, I have done the work, and the interrogative form, haven't I done the work? So dear student, in the sentence there is no negative sense. As a result, we have to add negative sense, haven't, negative form, haven't, in the auxiliary verb, and at last we have to use negative interrogative sign. Sentence 2, he has eaten rice. In the sentence is affirmative form, and there is no negative sense. So we have to take auxiliary verb have in the beginning of the sentence, and with the auxiliary verb we have to add an apostrophe T with the auxiliary verb, and at last we have to use interrogative sign. So the answer of the sentence, hasn't he eaten rice? And the third sentence, he had killed a snake. The third sentence we can also see there is no negative sense, negative indicator. So we have to interrogate the sentence negative interrogative, as the sentence is assertive, affirmative sentence, and there is no negative sense. So we have to do negative interrogative. So at first we have to take auxiliary verb had in the beginning of the sentence, and with the auxiliary verb, we have to add negative form N apostrophe T. That is hadn't. He killed a snake, and in the last we have to use interrogative sign. But sentence 4, dear student, very carefully look at the whiteboard. In the sentence you can see not. So the sentence is negative sentence. If you want to interrogative form from the negative sentence, then we have to use affirmative interrogative. Affirmative interrogative. So we have to take modal auxiliary verb in the beginning of the sentence must, and we will not use any negative form because the sentence remain negative form not. So sentence will be affirmative interrogative. Must he go there? And at the last of the sentence we have to use sign, interrogative sign. Dear student, sentence 5, he cannot go there. In the sentence we can also see not. So the sentence is negative sentence, and if you want to interrogative form, if you want to transfer interrogative form, then we have to do affirmative interrogative, because in the sentence we can see negative form not. So dear student, we have to take can in the beginning of the sentence, and we have to delete not, and at the last of the sentence we have to use interrogative sign. In this way we have to do assertive to interrogative sentence. Dear student, at last I also suggest you have to stay at home, you have to follow sanitation, and you have to follow our video class when we will take. Thanks, many thanks.